Well, it's a peaceful autumn day in the garden, and in this very short film I'm going to be showing you a way to recycle and reuse these for the benefit of your garden instead of throwing them in the bin. So what I've got here are a range of vessels which normally end up in the bin. I do put them in the green bin, the recycler, but they're perfectly useful because what you'll notice about them all is that they have the same shape as one of these, a plant pot. Now I believe this shape is called a frustum, and that means it's slightly conical in the sense that the top is wider than the bottom. And these are good for being plant pots because it's easy to get the plants out of them after you've planted them. So you'll notice that the key difference between a plant pot and a pot noodle pot is the lack of holes in the top of this. And that's where my good friend Makita comes in. So I'm using on my Makita drill a 22mm or 7/8 of an inch boring bit. So this is for boring holes in wood or plasterboard. I'm just using the pointy end to make little holes in the bottom of the pots. So there's the bottom of my pot. Here's the bit. Here we go. That was easy, wasn't it? So the good thing about coffee cups particularly is that they're made of cardboard and they are biodegradable. So when I've made my holes in the bottom of this and planted something in it, if I want, I can just plant this straight into the garden once the plant has started growing in the pot. Now a top tip for doing this is if you've got a pot like this one, which is a bit not very well structured and it's likely to collapse if you put any pressure on it, to hold the pot at the top and to drill inside it like this. That way you're not going to get the drill bit in your hand. Looks good, yeah? So that's 10 new plant pots I've created, 3 biodegradable cardboard ones and 7 plastic ones. And all that remains now is to put them away for the winter. So this is my cold frame, which I made out of an old outdoor coffee table, and I keep all my plant pots and stuff in here for the winter. And then in the growing months I've got plants growing in here. There we go, all the way for the winter. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is StuMoss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.